guys, good morning everyone. So ito yung update na naman natin guys for today. Is another day. It's another blessings guys. Ayun, ang ganda ng weather natin. Very nice. Ayan guys. So it looks so good. Ayan. Have a blessed day everyone. Hello everyone. So ito tayo guys. Ito yung update natin for today. It's another day. Ayan guys, very nice weather tayo. Yan, so far guys, summer na talaga. Hello guys, na talaga ang face ko. Na medyo napawis na din talaga tayo guys. So still good because guys, it feels exercise pa din. So malapit na talaga ako sa highway guys. Ayan, highway na. So yun ang update natin guys. Tayo sa highway guys. Yan. Diyan guys. Ilog yan dyan guys sa baba. Sige. Hello guys, mainit. Walking time guys. Panahon natin. It feels guys, a little tired guys. Kasi nag-walking tayo guys sa mainit. Fresh. Ibang klase ang init guys. So dito feel good and fresh. So going market ako guys. At the same time, magbayad din tayo ng water natin. Hello guys, walking na naman tayo. Ayan. It's walking time guys. Mainit. Of course naman, may payong tayo. Yan, fresh day dito banda guys. Diba? Malalaki ang mga kahoy. So yun. We need guys, payong. Yan. So yun lang ang update natin guys. Tayo ay papunta muna sa labas. Maglakad guys. Market time. Yun lang guys. Bye. So guys, tapos na ako. Pauwi na ako guys. May daanan muna ako guys. Kasi before ako mag-uwi. So yun, mainit pa rin tayo guys. Keep safe. Bye. Kita nyo guys ang init. Naku. Parang ini-enjoy ko lang ang paglalakad. So yun guys. Magandang araw sa lahat. Have a nice and wonderful day.